wonderful cat. Whenever he gets in a fix, he reaches into his bag of tricks. Felix the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat. You laugh so much your sides will ache, your heart will go pit-a-pat. Watching Felix, the wonderful cat.
What are you going to do with that telescope, Poindexter?
Well, Mr. Felix, since Uncle left us alone tonight, I think I'll compute the orbit of the moon. Oh, my goodness!
Huh?
I just picked up a spaceship, Mr. Felix, and it is sending out light signals in code. I'll take it down. Dit dit dot, dit dot, dit 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 dot, 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 dit dit dot, dot, dit dot. Oh my! It is from the master cylinder. He is orbiting around the Earth and can't stop. He's calling for help. Lucky I picked him up.
What? Are you going to help that guy? After all he did to us?
But...
No buts. You can't go.
All right, Mr. Felix.
Hey, what do you got there?
A kaleidoscope, Mr. Felix. A device for making interesting designs. Have a look.
Gee, pretty.
I'll speed it up for you.
Hey, I'm getting dizzy.
It has a hypnotic effect on the mind, Mr. Felix. Good. And now to the rescue.
I must have dozed off. Hey, what in the... The master cylinder! What are you doing here?
He's our guest, Mr. Felix.
A guest? Well, what will the professor say?
The professor? Now be a good boy and build me that anti-gravity generator.
Okay, Mr. Cylinder. Here you are, sir.
Okay, attach it to the floor, right in the center. Good. Now start the motor.
Hey, the house is shaking. I'm getting out of here.
No, Mr. Felix, not the door.
Yikes! Poindexter! Help! Poindexter saved the master cylinder from orbit and built him an anti-gravity machine. And the master cylinder used it to steal the professor's laboratory. Maybe I can climb up to the door.
And now for a good night's sleep. Huh? The laboratory is gone. Somebody stole it. Help! Police!
Mr. Felix, I'm glad you're safe.
Oh, thanks. Where are you taking us, Mr. Cylinder?
To my estate on Venus.
Venus?
Yes, I can use this laboratory and Poindexter. Hey, what have you got there?
Pictures, Mr. Cylinder.
Pictures? Let's have a look. Gee, pretty.
Keep looking, Mr. Cylinder. It will get better.
Oh, boy.
He's going!
Yes, the kaleidoscope hypnotized him.
Swell! Now what are we going to do with him?
Throw him out, of course.
You and who else? He weighs a ton!
No, Mr. Felix. Observe how my anti-gravity generator made him weightless. He's light as a feather.
What'll happen to him?
Nothing, Mr. Felix. He'll settle gently to Earth. Now I press the reverse button, and happy landings for us.
Stealing a man's home. There, officer. That's where it was.
It was. It is.
Huh? Impossible. It was gone, I tell you. Gone, gone, gone.
Well, we're back.
We never left home, Mr. Felix.
Uh-oh, here comes the professor.
Mum's the word, Mr. Felix.
Professor, what happened? You look sick.
Me sick? Ridiculous.